Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with yet another non-phone work-from-home job lead. This one involves responding to different social media posts and comments. We're going to dive on all into it. Just note the links to everything that I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video in case you want to apply straight to these jobs. Today's job lead is from the company ClearLink. Now, ClearLink has two different sides of their business. One side is their enterprise service, where they have performance-based marketing and sales solutions for companies. The other side is their digital media side, which they have in-house brands and digital media publications. The digital media side is what this job is for. But on this page, they go through all the employee perks about working remote, work-life balance. They do offer benefits such as wellness programs, 401k, but if you keep scrolling down, they are hiring a digital brand specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only, but even though the job title sounds very sophisticated, they're looking for somebody to reply to brand engagement related social media consumer posts on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook on behalf of their client partners. So you'll have to make sure you adhere to client-specific social media playbook and guidelines that they have for you. You'll also maintain a consistently high standard of brand responses as well as a productivity in the day-to-day role. You may also be tasked with researching, locating, and potentially engaging in timely and brand-appropriate shareable user-generated content to recommend for reposting on the social media sites. So you're not actually creating that content yourself. You're looking for content that's already created that you can then share and repost. You're also going to be reading these posts and comments, finding opportunities to create more personalized consumer influence engagement replies and content. You'll look for consumer trends in real time and evaluate those for opportunities. They want you to kind of locate and support newsjacking opportunities. Basically, looking for the content that's already out there posted on social media regarding the company, and then you'll look for trending hashtags and different things like that, looking for opportunities to, don't want to say steal, but basically take that content, share it, repost it, all of those things. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma. Of course, they do need somebody who is fluent in reading, writing, and speaking English, somebody who has a grasp on grammar, punctuation, and spelling. They don't want mistakes in their post. You got to have excellent written communication skills. They do want somebody who has 1 to 3 years of experience leading social media communities. A high level of understanding of digital channels like social media networks, messaging apps, web-based chat, community forums, news sites, review sites, things like that. Of course, they would like somebody who has some customer service experience as well, and at least some experience working with Google Suite programs or Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, all of those things. Now, thank you so much for everyone who responded to my poll about estimated salaries. They did not list the salary for the position in the job description. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. I did look on Glassdoor, and just remember, this is just an estimate based on what other people who have worked here said they make, and a digital brand specialist at ClearLink makes anywhere from $58,000 on the low end and can go all the way up to $80,000 a year. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that is okay. Please leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.